is gearing up for a pivotal summer as the Memphis Grizzlies enter a rebuilding phase, potentially opening the door for a major shift in his career. With speculation swirling about a possible move to a new team for the 2025-2026 season, one thing remains certain: Morant will step onto the court wearing his next signature model, the Nike Ja 3. However, before that debut, Nike is giving the Ja 2 silhouette one final hurrah. While many assumed the recent Kool-Aid colorway would be the last, Nike is releasing a 5-pack of Team Bank colorways tailored for organized sports teams. The lineup includes clean combinations like black and white, gray and white, red and white, royal and white, and an all-white version. The all-white pair, in particular, stands out as a versatile, minimalist option, reminiscent of the iconic Air Force One. Though no official release date has been confirmed, the Ja 2 TB collection is expected to land on Nike.com soon.